Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing files and the sequence so you avoid sample rate mismatch. Import your 48K HC, 24-bit dialog and group clips into dialog, SFX, music bins. Once imported, set the sequence to 48K HC and enable audio time units for frame-accurate edits. Make sure clip gain is normalized roughly so levels aren't wildly different. Use the audio clip mixer to preview. This immediate setup prevents artifacts later and gives you consistent headroom for processing and mixing. Next, you clean and balance. Tag dialog in essential sound and apply denoise and reverb cautiously. Reduce noise until natural, not hollow. Use a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove low rumble and apply gentle EQ cuts for boxiness at 300-800 Hz. Use clip gain to level takes before effects, then balance using the track mixer so voice sits above music and SFX. Once balanced, add gentle compression to control dynamics and avoid pumping artifacts. To finish, route dialog to a submix bus, apply a final low shelf and high shelf to taste, then use a transparent compressor and a limiter to control peaks. Once done, measure loudness and target appropriate LUFS for your platform. Normalize overall gain to match. When exporting, choose 48K HC, 24-bit WAV or high bitrate AAC. If you encounter clipping or sync drift, check sample rates and audio time units, switching sequence and clip interpretations to match fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.